Before you spend hours behind the wheel, take a few minutes to make your ride smoother, smarter, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Here are 15 genius travel car hacks to try before your next long drive, because the right prep can turn a stressful trip into a smooth cruise. 1. Map Fuel stops using gas price apps. Before leaving, use apps like GasBuddy to plan fuel stops in advance. Avoid overpriced stations near highways and save big over the course of a long drive. 2. Clip a carabiner to your keychain for restroom doors and bags. Public restrooms with broken hooks? A carabiner clips your bag to anything: stall door, sink pipe, or stroller. Also perfect for securing gear at rest stops. 3. Freeze reusable water bottles for cooling and hydration. Toss frozen water bottles in your cooler or under your seat. They keep things cold and double as an ice pack, or drink as they melt. 4. Keep a clipboard with printed reservations and itineraries. A simple clipboard with printed plans saves time when your phone dies or signal drops. Hotel details, confirmation numbers, or directions, all in one place. 5. Apply anti-chafe balm before driving. Long drives can lead to seatbelt or clothing irritation. Use anti-chafe balm or body glide on areas like inner thighs or underarms before discomfort kicks in. 6. Use shower caps to cover dirty shoes at stops. Bring a couple of shower caps to wrap around dirty shoes when stopping at muddy or dusty locations. Keeps your carpet and floor mats clean. 7. Preset your music playlists or podcasts offline. Don't rely on Signal. Download music, audiobooks, or podcasts before you leave so your entertainment doesn't cut out in dead zones. 8. Bring a travel-sized essential oil roll-on for alertness. Peppermint or citrus. Essential oil roll-ons can help you stay awake and refreshed during long hauls. Rub on wrists or temples during pit stops. 9. Use Velcro strips to keep your phone cord from sliding away. Tired of chasing your charging cable? Stick a Velcro square to your dashboard and wrap the matching piece around the cord. Problem solved. 10. Set a timer to switch drivers or stretch every 90 minutes. Use your phone or a smart watch to remind you to rotate drivers or get out and stretch. You'll reduce fatigue, stiffness, and mental fog. 11th. Pack flip-flops or easy slip-on shoes for quick stops. Don't waste time untying sneakers at every restroom or gas stop. Slip-on shoes save time, keep you moving, and give your feet a break. 12. Use a foldable windshield cover for quick privacy at rest stops. If you're napping or changing, use a pop-up windshield shade for instant privacy. No need to drape coats or towels across the dash. 13. Keep napkins and trash bags in the glove box lid or door pocket. Use an elastic strap or small clip to keep a few napkins or a folded trash bag in the glove box lid. Super handy without digging around. 14. Mark your gas cap side with a sticky arrow if you forget it. Always forgetting which side your gas cap is on? Place a small arrow sticker near your dash gauges or rear view mirror. Saves time at unfamiliar stations. 15. Pack a travel pillow that doubles as a lumbar cushion. Bring a soft neck pillow or compact cushion that works for naps and lower back support while driving. One item, two functions. And there you have it. 15 genius car hacks to try before your next long drive. Because the better you prep, the better your road trip experience will be. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Like this video if these hacks helped you hit the road smarter. Subscribe for more road-tested tips, DIY tricks, and traveler-friendly car content. Until next time, stay alert, stay comfy, and keep on cruising.